Hi, my name is Mark Zipthorpe and I'm with Bank News TV. Today we're going to be talking about the small medium-sized banks in Canada. This is part 3 of the Canadian banking industry overview. The banks comprising the small medium banks in Canada include Hollis, Home Equity Bank, Versabank, and Caisse Populaire d'Acadienne. The small medium category of banks in Canada are very unique and all have unique origins. For example, Hollis Bank was born out of the ashes of Dundee Wealth and Dundee Bank. It was bought by Scotiabank in 2007 for $260 million. This bank offers investment savings accounts, guaranteed investment certificates, mortgages, and all through financial advisors. Home Equity Bank specializes in reverse mortgages and secured loans. The mortgage portfolio is comprised of approximately 9,500 reverse mortgages for a total value of about $1.3 billion. Caisse Populaire l'Acadienne was one of the first federal credit unions under the new legislation. It has approximately $3.8 billion in assets and has 155,000 members. It was born out of 15 Caisse Populaires in the Atlantic provinces and 2 related entities. Versabank is a branchless commercial bank that makes full use of innovative technologies. It's a broker-based lending and deposit-taking institution and was one of the pioneers, a de novo bank, and one of the first to gain its charter. The cost of funding for these banks range from 59 basis points to 270 basis points for Home Equity Bank. This is a huge difference and makes it difficult for some of these banks in the small medium categories to compete. In 2016, income for this group ranged from $8 million to $31 million. The return on equity ranged from 4.48% to 8.63%, less than half of what the big banks earn. The small medium category of banks is very exciting. It would not take much for this group to improve its profitability significantly. Simply lowering the cost of funds to be comparable to the large banks would help in some cases. I'm looking forward to seeing how this group improves over the coming years. Versabank, for example, today announced that it was going to do a share buyback because it believes it's much more valuable than the stock price indicates. The next part of this series of banks will be the mid-sized banks. I'm looking forward to bringing that to you in the coming days.